If you're looking for the best Worldremit promo codes, here's the only way to find legit and working discounts. The best way as of right now is by simply making a Google search. So go to google.com and Google Worldremit promo code. This will bring up results including official promotions from Worldremit itself. Avoid third-party websites that list random codes as most of them don't work. For example, here's one, 3 for you. It's posted by Worldremit official. This is legit. However, this one is a third-party coupon website, so it's best to avoid this. Look, we have another one from Worldremit. Your 5 of your first 3 transfers. And then we have SEC50. So here's the thing, Worldremit frequently updates their promo codes and you can find them directly on their website. So let's click on one. And then here, you will see how it works and the promo code 3 for you. These are the steps for your guide. So basically that's it.